Hello friends and family, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dojina. If you are new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how to make banana ice cream. It's soft, it's creamy, it's yummacious, it's delicious. Trust me, your kids are going to fight with you for this ice cream. It turned out so delicious, and I hope you're going to give it a try. Let's get started. So this is a chocolate fondant that I'll be using, and I break it into smaller pieces. I'll then add in a tablespoon of butter and melt it in the microwave for 20 seconds. I'll stir it. As you can see here, it's still creamy, so I'll put it again in the microwave for 20 minutes, and then it should be running like this. It makes it easier for you to spread. This is the ice cream molds that I'll be using. And then I'll scoop in about 2 tablespoons of the chocolate in. I'll then take it and move it to spread it all over the ice cream mold. After, I'll bring a plate and then put on a wire rag. I'll turn on the ice cream mold on it so that the excess chocolate should drip off. I'll put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. I'll then move to the ice cream. I'll use 2 bananas for this recipe. I'll peel it and then add it to my blender. Make sure you break it into smaller pieces and then add it to your blender. The next ingredient I'll be using is fresh cream. I'll add in fresh cream and then condensed milk. Lastly, I'll add in banana flavor, close my blender and blend until smooth. The list and amount of the ingredients will be listed in the comment section or in the description box below. I'll blend until smooth like so and then keep it aside. After 5 minutes, this is how it should look. So you want to coat it well. I'll then add in more of the chocolate. Spread it well and then keep it in the fridge for another 5 minutes again. It's going to be a bit messy here, but once it's set, you can clean it. So this is how it should look like. Add in more of the fresh cream if needed. After 5 minutes, I'll take it back from the fridge and then pour in the ice cream. This turned out so delicious. It's yummacious, and you need few ingredients for this. So I used only 3 ingredients for this recipe, and trust me, once it's done, you will love the end result. Tap it to level it well, and then insert your ice cream stick in it. Lastly, I'll scoop about a tablespoon of the chocolate on top and spread it well. This is how it should look when done. Put it in the fridge from 6 to 8 hours. After 6 to 8 hours, look at it, it has set, and then removing it is very easy. Bring a bowl of water and then put it in for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it will come out easily, just like so, guys. It's so delicious, it's yummacious, and trust me, my kid was fighting with me for this ice cream. It's easy to make. It took no time for making this, and it turned out so delicious. And just look at it, guys. It's very creamy. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you're going to give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed. Delicious.